Hello guys, and we're back with another video. So I'm going to be unboxing some fidgets I got today. So I have some fidgets, but I'll show you at the end with my brand new fidgets. Got some fidgets, so I'll add them to my collection and then I'll show you them all at the end. But I'm going to show you the ones I got today. So yeah, let's get right into that. And before we start, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and the post notifications are turned off, so if they come back on, put those on as well. So I'll get you right into it. Okay, so I've got the first poppet. It's a square rainbow poppet. So I'll just peel this off. Okay, so got this. It's nice colors actually. They're brighter than here's a normal one. Has a rip in it here, but there's a normal one. Look at its colors, and there's one there. Colors are changed, like they're different colors. I think I like this one better. The popping's really good. Listen to it. That's the good side. That's the bad side. Do the good side one more time. So that poppet, really good poppet. Definitely worth my money. Put that in the collection. And then I have this score one. So we will open it. The score one. Another rainbow one. Same as the other one. Just want to see. So here's the bad side. Can't really hear it like. Here's the good side. And I have two other circle poppets here. So I do. Here's an orange one. Look, I think it looks red for you, but yeah, there's a square. No, there's a circle. Sorry, there's the other one. So that's pretty good. Like, here's my last one. That's it. So I have got 3 of them. This is my last one. So far, so good. Another rainbow. This one's quite hard. Let me test the good side. Here's the bad side. You cannot hear it, I don't think. And here's the good side. So yeah, I'll show you all the fidgets. And so I got back here, got on a fidget setup. So here's a mini changing color needle. It's dark green and it goes to light green. So it is. And then I have these magnetic balls, this pail. Oh, all different colors, so they are. They're nice to play with, so they are. And then I have this green and blue wacky track. I have 2 controller poppets. This jumbo, I don't know, I saw like mini ones of these, can't remember the name. I have a blue one of those, just in different shape. Over to my dimples, I have this red Among Us dimple. I have this red mini Among Us dimple. I have this black controller. No, this black fidget spinner dimple, so do. This blue dimple. It's like rubbery though. It's not like a dimple. The edge of it's like rubber, so it doesn't lose. Here's what do you call it? Baby Yoda puppet. I saw people get those, so I wanted to get one. Oh, here's my food puppet. So I have this burger puppet here. I have like the wee burger legs on it. Then I have this lemon. So I do. Two pop tubes. This brand new one I got onto my square one. So this is the ones I already had. That one, that's a square. This is a brand new square. There's the orange circle. What are you doing? There's Cody. I have this orange square. This all sorts of colours circle puppet. And then this rainbow circle puppet that's brand new. What?
I need to get one.
It's good. And the best puppet I got was probably this circle, and then probably the other one. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please, so I'm on, can't remember, I think can't remember, on the blue channel. Unlikely I can't upload there anymore, it won't let me. But on my pink that I got here, I would like to get to 10 subscribers at least, so could you like, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you next time very soon, hopefully. So see you later, bye.